ChatGPT wants you to pay for custom GPTs. But here's what they're not telling you. Because almost everything a custom GPT does, you can already do for free. Let me show you. Okay, so custom GPTs are basically pre-configured AI assistants. You set them up once with specific instructions, a personality, a role, and they behave consistently every single time you use them. No need to re-explain yourself every session. Sounds amazing, right? And look, they are useful. I'm not going to pretend they're not. But here's the thing nobody talks about. Custom GPTs don't make ChatGPT smarter. They don't give you access to better AI. What they actually do is save you the time of typing the same instructions over and over again. That's it. And here's where it gets interesting. You can get almost the same results on the free plan, right now, today. All you need to do is 3 things. First, give ChatGPT a clear role at the start of your conversation. Second, give it detailed context about what you need. And third, save your best prompts somewhere so you can reuse them every time. Boom. You just replicated most of what a custom GPT does, for free. Now, is the Plus plan worth it? For some people, absolutely yes. If you're using ChatGPT all day, every day, and the time saving matters to you, go for it. But if you're just getting started, don't let anyone make you feel like the free version isn't powerful enough, because it absolutely is if you know how to use it. And hey, we put together a free beginner's guide to AI. The link is in the description. Go grab it. It's completely free. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. Every week we break down simple ways to use AI. No tech background needed. Just practical stuff that actually works. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, let's thrive with AI together.